Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D CAD model of chain zipper in Autodesk Inventor software. So let's get started. Go to New, take a standard part in millimeter and go to Create. Now take a 2D sketch. We'll select here the exit plane, rotate the view. This will be the top view. Take the line command. From the center point, make here a straight line. Escape. Go to dimension, define this distance as 12 mm. Okay, now zoom it, go to line command once again. Now we are going to make the profile. From this center point, make one line like this, one here and one here. Go to dimension, define this as 3, enter, define this as 4 and define this as 9. Okay, go to mirror command, select this profile, go to mirror line, select this center line, apply and done. Finish sketch. Here go to extrude, select both the profiles, take here symmetric and take a distance of 4 mm. Okay, press OK. Now here go to origin, here is the YZ plane, go to create sketch. Here take the line command and make one line here, make a straight line and make one line like this. Okay, and escape. Go to the horizontal constraint, select this point and select this point. Okay, go to dimension. Here define this as 9, select this line, go to home, select this initial point, define this as 11, go to right view and select this point, select this face, define this as 0.5 and here the total length will be of 3 mm. Okay, now go to offset, select this profile, this and this, enter and take offset of 1 mm. Okay, go to line command, make one joining profile here and make one joining profile here. Finish sketch, take extrude, select this profile, flip the direction to symmetric and take offset of 2 mm. This will be a joining profile and press OK. Okay, now here go to fillet, take here a fillet radius 0.3, select this, this, select all the faces. Okay, similarly at the side as well, rotate, select this corner, rotate, select this and this bottom and this bottom. Okay, rotate, select this end and select this end. Select this inner profile and go to home. Okay, now apply, take offset radius of 1, select this and select this, press OK. Okay, now here rotate the profile, select this back face, go to create sketch. Here go to rectangle command, take 2-point rectangle, make a rectangle profile here. Go to dimension, define this 3.5, from top this will be 0.6 and from base this will be 0.6. Okay, now here go to coincident, select this end and select this line. Go to line command, from the center point make a straight line, escape, select this line, make it construction. Go to mirror command, mirror this profile, go to mirror line, select the center line, apply and done. Select this, make it construction, finish sketch, take extrude, select both the profiles, take here cut, and here we will take all. So this will be a through cut. Press OK. Now here rotate the profile, select this face and go to create sketch. Rotate the view. Here go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe. Go to sketch, project geometry, project this line, project this line. Go to line command, make one line here and escape. Now go to offset command, select this line, enter, take offset of 0.6 mm, select this, enter, offset of 0.6 mm. Go to line command, make a joining line here, similarly make one joining line here, enter, okay, escape. Now we'll drag this down and we'll match this previously made line. Similarly, we'll drag this up to this face, go to line command and make a joining profile. Escape. Here go to perpendicular constraint, select this line, select this. Now this is fully constrained. Finish sketch, take extrude, select this profile, take extrude of 0.9 mm. This will be a joining profile and press OK. Go to view, visual style, change it to shaded with edges. OK. Home. So this will be the extruded profile. Now go to 3D model, take here mirror, select extrude 4, go to mirror plane and we will select the exit plane. Press OK. Now we have a taper profile here. So this extrude is not complete. Select this face, go to create sketch, go to project geometry, project this, finish sketch, extrude, select both the profiles and here we'll change it to 2 and select this face. So this extrude will complete till here. Press OK. Now select this face, go to create sketch, project geometry, project this, finish sketch, take here extrude, select this, go to distance and take 2 and select this face. Press OK. Okay. Now here we are left with the the holding. Select this face, go to create sketch, go to line command and here we will start from the center, make one line like this, till center and join here. Escape. Now here go to vertical constraint, select this point and select this point. Go to dimension, define this total as 10, okay, and escape. Now drag this profile inside, go to dimension, from this end this will be at a distance of 1.5, okay. Now here go to the fillet, take a fillet radius of 1 mm, select this corner, exit. Okay. Now go to dimension, define this end as 4, select this point, select center, this will be 2.5, okay. Escape. Go to offset, select this profile, this and this, enter, drag the cursor outside, take offset of 1 mm, okay. Now go to line command, make one line here, go to dimension, select this and from this end this will be at 5 mm, this will be a distance of 1 mm. Go to trim this profile and escape. Here go to fillet, take fillet radius of 0.5, select this corner, select this corner, exit, go to dimension, define this again 1 mm, enter, define this, okay, define this, okay, what else is left, escape. Now we'll have to see what is left. Okay, it is moving. Escape, go to dimension, define this, okay. Now go to mirror, select this profile, go to mirror line, select the center line, apply and done. Finish sketch. Here take extrude, select the profile, take extrude of 0.8. This will be a new profile, so I will click new solid, press OK. Okay, now here go to fillet, take here fillet of 0.3, select all the edges, bottom also, and press OK. For appearance, we will take semi polish, SEM, enter. So this will be the final output. This was a basic tutorial to how to construct a chain zipper in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do it like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.